Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is some standard discrete distributions. In this topic, we are going to learn binomial distribution. In the previous lectures, we have taken many more concepts from the binomial distribution like definition, mean and variance of binomial distribution, probability generating function of the binomial distribution. Now in today's lecture we are going to discuss recurrence relation for the probabilities of binomial distribution. We know that the recurrence relations for probabilities are useful to obtain the successive probabilities of the corresponding distribution in quick and easy way without using the probability mass function. Now we shall calculate the recurrence relation for probability of the binomial distribution. We know that if x follow binomial with parameter n and p, then PMF of binomial distribution is given by Px equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. If we replace x by x plus 1, then we get Px plus 1 is equal to ncx plus 1 p raised to x plus 1 q raised to n minus x plus 1. The recurrence relation is given by Px plus 1 divided by Px, and which is equal to probability of x plus 1 divided by probability of x. Now we shall substitute the values of probability x plus 1 and probability x, which is nc x plus 1 p raised to x plus 1 q raised to n minus x minus 1 upon ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Here p raised to x and p raised to x get cancelled. Similarly, q raised to n minus x cancel with this q raised to n minus 1. So the remaining terms are ncx plus 1 q raised to minus 1 upon ncx. Now probability x plus 1 divided by probability x is equal to ncx plus 1 divided by q into ncx. Now we expand the combinations in numerator and denominator. We get n factorial divided by n minus x minus 1 factorial into x plus 1 factorial. This whole thing is divided by q into n factorial upon n minus x factorial into x factorial. We are using the formula NCR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Combination of n values taken r at a time. So this n factorial get cancelled. 1 upon q into, I will rearrange the term, n minus x factorial into x factorial divided by n minus x minus 1 factorial into x plus 1 factorial, which is equal to p divided by q into n minus x factorial can be written as n minus x into n minus x minus 1 factorial into x factorial. divided by n minus x minus 1 factorial, and x plus 1 factorial can be written as x plus 1 into x factorial. X factorial get cancelled. This n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. So we get probability x plus 1 upon probability x is equal to p upon q into n minus x upon x plus 1, which is equal to n minus x divided by x plus 1 into p upon q. Therefore, probability of x plus 1 is equal to n minus x upon x plus 1 into p upon q multiplied by this probability of x. This is the recurrence relation for binomial distribution with parameter n and p. One can use this relation to obtain the successive probabilities of binomial distribution without using the probability mass function, and it reduces the calculation and efforts of calculations. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is recurrence relation and how we obtain the recurrence relation of probabilities for the binomial distribution. In the previous lecture, many more concepts from binomial distributions are discussed, and so many topics from the subject statistics are available on the Learn Statistics class. If students want to learn all the lectures topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist are also given in the description box. If student like this lecture, please click on like button, share with your friends in order to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.